Comfortable class. I and my friends have our lesson here. Computer room. We have computer class in this room.
Library, where you can read and borrow some books. And also big hall, where we do flag ceremony and have gym class. In English class, we always apply the conversation between the students and the teachers too. We also practice spelling bee, competition and conversation to make us more confident.
Good morning everyone, my name is Zero from grade 1 elementary school of Baptist Palembang. I want to spell 5 classroom objects. Chair, C-H-A-I-R. Desk, D-E-S-K. Eraser, E-R-A-S-E-R. Map, M-A-P. Board, B-O-A-R-D. Thank you, God bless you. Pencil, P-E-N-C-I-L. Ruler, R-U-L-E-R.
It's my hero to my life. He can save and keep me from anything.
She takes care of me since I was a baby. She loves me very much and I love her too. Thank you. He is strong. Thank you for everything that you do, Dad.
Honorable teacher, Miss Yippee, and my friend. First, I want to introduce myself. My name is Satuyangoro. This is my house. Let's get inside. Come on. This is the garage. There is a car. This is the living room.
This is my bedroom. There are bed, pillow, bolster, blanket.
Do you want to know more about us? Let's see our friend's testimony.
Hello, I'm Beata. I'm in grade 6 at Baptist Elementary School. I'm happy to be here because I can improve my skill. The teachers really help me. When I need to learn more, we aren't only learning the theory, but also we are practicing what we learn. If you want to improve and learn more, I recommend you Baptist School Palembang.
Hi, my name is Justin Nathanael. I like to share my experience of studying at Baptist School Palembang. It is amazing because the tuition fee is quite affordable. The teaching materials are easy to understand. And the most important, the teachers are friendly. The class is fun. Thank you.
The teachers are very experienced and they teach me with fun methods. If you are looking for a cheap and fun school, Baptist School is the best choice. Do you want to improve your skills in an easy and fun way? You should join Baptist School Palembang, where the learning method is so attractive.
In our school, we also have various extracurriculars. These are examples of our extracurriculars. English Club.
This club for students who have high interest about English.
Hi， 大家好，我叫 Rebecca， 今年10岁，上小学6年级。
今天我想分享一个关于我在马地小学校的经历故事。Aku
imagine how amazing is that? Not just activities in school, we always join at many Olympic competition.